would you mind sharing a bit more of the details on the ProShop side of things? I understand this Datanomix side really well, but bringing in ProShop, working together, what has that done on the process validation side of things?
So for that, it's again, they work so well together, and I like to say that this erases tribal knowledge, which is death.
Yes,
right? So to your point, it's real time, and you can go back and travel on it, but going back in, so we know, okay, oh, setup time. Well, if it's labeled in setup and we projected it's gonna be a 4-hour setup, oh, this took us 8 hours. What are we doing wrong on the front side so we can fix that and be more profitable and be more intelligent and get better quotes to the customer, so we're getting parts on time, within budget, and the whole ecosystem works together. So it's so great that ProShop maps it out for you with what you think you're going to do. But what usually happens? Oh, the tool broke. We ran into a problem. Our outside processing vendor was late. But then we can look at all that and go back. It's all digitally there, and it closes that loop up. So it's so easy to do and figure out your cost accounting for how did we do? Because running blind, you're not gonna get anywhere.